Hello everyone, this PowerPoint slide is going to discuss the change processes implementation for our hospital, Springfield General Hospital. This presentation is targeted to be presented to our general managers only. So the agenda of this presentation, we will discuss the case overview. Then we will remind us all with our organization focus. We will see why we will have information technology, what and how and when we have to use information technology. We will review together the responsibilities of the general managers, and we will discuss the suggested reward system. So, first of all, what is our case? What is happening on our hospital, Springfield General Hospital? So, back in history, in order to reduce the medication error and mistakes, which are caused and can be exampled like incorrect selecting of drugs, or the link between the drug synergetic effects with the patient allergies, as well as the poor handwriting for identification. We suggested a solution which is CPOE, the computerized physician order entity. This is an IT solution where anybody can write, add, put their comment on a computer. So the solution was targeted to prevent the above mistakes, but sadly it caused a lot of issues and increases the number of errors. For example, we have errors of incorrect dosages, information, and patient confusion. Why that happened? We will discuss it and review it. So organization focus. Again, we were focusing to have information technology to automate existing process and to enhance it. The idea of this solution is to automate and to have an automated quality check system that can detect any duplication, any incorrect or illogical dosages, as well as QC on regard allergies and based on the profile of the patient. This will lead and support prescribing physicians through the ability to view patient history and the last clinical guidelines for the treatment. So, how we will have information technology, what and when. So first of all, leaders have to target two questions to achieve this focus. What is needed exactly from this information technology? We need to enhance the behavior of employees. So this is the question of what kind of employees behavior should this system CPOE reinforce? How and when? So how CPO can introduce new ways that support desired behavior changes by supporting the decision making, having a quality check system that can avoid any duplication and so on. When we have to avoid confusing if the system implementation occur early, that can cause employees being confused by its purpose, unsure of what new competences are being required, unable to make appropriate alternation in the behavior pattern. So we have to make sure that the timing of announcing the new system is right. So our responsibilities as general manager here is to make the necessary action to ensure the needed coordination among the process. That can happen by ensuring the right people who can provide the right sequential of the function, activities, and what we need to improve, and ensure the receiving the user feedback for the system friendly usage, the display of the system, what kind of information we must present on the system along the pilot process. So we will targeting training and workshop for employees to adapt the use of this IT system as a new behavior after succeeding on the pilot. And as GM, we are requested to act on the right time on regards announcing pay on performance reward system, which is based on mixed reward in order to help ensure alignment between employees. And we have to consider that any introducing of this new incentive at early stages can negatively impact on the change implementation process. We suggest as a reward system and performance based on the behavior that meets the strategic goal, and a bonus based on the overall performance of the organization, and that is a responsibility for all employees and all organizational unit. We can implement long-term performance awards or salary with bonus reward for employees. The goal here is to enhance the effectiveness of team, and leaders must avoid the possibility of having undermining collaboration between employees because of this performance-based rewarding system. Thank you all for watching, and now I'm opening the space for any question.